At the moment, I'm working on the very interesting bamboo installation. The role that Biji-biji is taking, it's basically an installation where a collective of artisans come together. So there are weaving artisans from Sarawak or Sabah, and there is also the architect who designed the installation, and as well as us Biji-biji as the ones who build the whole framework for the installation. So the installation we fully built using bamboo.
Quite a new skill for everyone to learn. No tools, everything just hand saw, no machine, nothing.
Our knowledge in bamboo building is quite limited to the basics, and the design is quite intricate in sense of where there's a lot of circular bamboo structures within the installation, and that is our main challenge, which is how to bend bamboo into a circle. We've got the great honor to fly to Indonesia in Yogyakarta to train under a very famous artist called Eko Prawoto, train under his team of bamboo builders. And in these 4 days, we were having this massive bamboo boot camp with the professionals over there, our teachers there. And it's been great, so we sort of gained more confidence to tackle the first challenge, which is bending bamboo into circles, as well as putting the pieces together.